What started as a routine traffic stop in Arkansas quickly turned into something much bigger. According to the officer, the driver was speeding in a 25-mile-per-hour zone, but within seconds, the stop shifted from a traffic violation to a dispute over compliance during a lawful police encounter.
Hello? I'm Officer Hicks, Low PD. Stopping you for doing 40 and a 25.
40 on a 25?
Yes, ma'am.
That's not true.
It is true.
That's not true.
Okay. Do you have your license and insurance?
Do you have the,
Do you have your license and insurance?
I do have my license and
Okay,
insurance.
please produce it.
Do you have the evidence where I was running 45?
Please produce your license and
Do you
insurance.
have that?
Next time I have to ask, I'm going to arrest you for obstructing governmental operations.
You can't arrest me for that.
Yes, I can if you don't identify.
But do you have the...
Okay.
I will. I
All
will.
right. Step out. Nope, you wanted to play
Amber?
games.
Hold on.
Nope,
Hey,
you wanted to play
you can't
games.
do that.
Yes, I
Hey,
can.
you can't do
You wanted
that.
to play games?
No, no, no.
Get out.
Hey, you
Get
can't
out of
do
the
that.
car.
No, 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 no.
Get out of the car.
No, hey,
Get out of the
I'm
car.
giving you my-
Get
I'm
out of the car.
giving you my ID.
Get out of the car.
I'm giving you my ID.
1394. Get out of the car.
I'm giving you my
Get out of the
ID.
car.
I asked for proof. I'm giving you
Get
my
out of the
ID.
car or you're
You
going to
don't
get
need to do
tased.
that. You don't need
Get
to
out
do
of the
that.
car.
Hold on, you don't need to do that.
13, I got one trying to block me from the
I'm
seatbelt.
not trying to block you from the
She wouldn't let me
seatbelt,
get her
but,
out.
like,
She's
hold
just
on,
not
hold on,
listening to
hold on.
instructions. She's probably about to get tased.
No, 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 no.
Get out.
You don't need to tase me, dude.
Get out.
Hold on.
Get out now.
Hold on. You don't need to tase me, though.
Get out.
And I'm coming back to work,
Get out.
man.
Get
You
out.
don't need to tase me. Hold
Get
on.
out.
You
Walk
didn't
back
need
this
to
way.
hang up the phone, though.
13,
Hold on.
she's out.
Hold on.
Yes, put
Hold
your
on.
phone down.
You
You're not.
don't- no,
Shut
I
up.
just
Shut
need to
up.
talk-
Shut up. I'm done with you talking over me. Walk that way.
For what?
Now.
What for? Hold on,
Turn
hold
around.
on. No, 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 no. You don't need to forcefully. No, hold on.
You're
hold
gonna
on,
get
hold
taken
on,
to the ground.
Hold on, hold on.
Stop.
Don't do that. Don't do
Stop.
that. Hold on. Hold on. Hold
Stop.
on. Hold on, man.
Stop.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh. No, I'm not doing it. Oh, dude. You
can't resist.
I know, but dude, I gave him my ID. I gave him my ID.
resist.
I gave him
You
my
can't
ID.
resist. You
I
can't
know,
resist.
dude, but I gave him my
I know,
ID.
just stop.
Like, I gave him my ID. Hold on. Hey, can you go tell Amber that I'm being taken, please? Yeah. And my ID is right there. I need my phone.
Just calm down.
Yeah, but like,
It's right here.
I know, but like, I gave him my ID. I asked him for proof that I was going 45 on a 30, which I wasn't.
You made that way bigger than it needed to be.
Yeah, but I was not going 45 on a
Get out.
30. This is not necessary, man.
113, log 1 resisted.
I was not resisting, dude. I gave you my ID. I was not going 45 on a 30. Dude, I'm getting back to work.
Not anymore, you're not. You're going to Benton County.
Oh, yeah, I was not going 45 on a 30.
You're doing 40 and a 25.
No, you first said 45.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You can
have
FOI the
that
body
back?
camera.
Okay. And I asked you for proof.
You're under arrest.
Okay,
You're under arrest for obstructing governmental
I
operations.
was not obstructing
Resisting
nothing.
arrest.
I was grabbing my
And
wallet.
speeding.
I was not speeding either.
Sit down. Your car's also getting impounded.
As the driver questioned the speeding accusation and asked for proof, she delayed providing her identification. Under Arkansas law, drivers are required to present their license during a lawful traffic stop, and refusal can lead to additional charges. When the officer ordered her out of the vehicle, the situation escalated fast. Under the Supreme Court ruling in Pennsylvania v. Mims, officers are legally allowed to remove a driver from a vehicle during a traffic stop for safety reasons. According to the officer's account, the driver continued refusing commands and physically resisted while being detained, leading to charges including obstruction, resisting arrest, and speeding.
The warning symbol, I worked on the taser. She got out, and then I said, hey, walk over this way. She's like, why? And she's like, I'm not, just argue with me, right? Huh? Keep telling her. She wouldn't listen. And so, went to go hands-on. She pushed back, tensed up. So, still tried to...
Who's the guy?
Security. I tried to armbar. It wouldn't work. She was tensing up because she's a lady. Still trying to go as easy as I can. And she wouldn't. So, I leg hooked her, slammed her on the ground.
I saw that part.
Yep. So
what were you saying at first on the radio?
She wouldn't.
Seatbelt or?
Yeah, I went to go. I was like, so you'll see. So I went to go, like, tell her, like, hey, you need. I told her the reason for the stop. She was arguing. I wasn't doing 40 and 25. I wasn't doing that. It's like, yes, you were. So, and then she's like, I want to see it. It's like, no. Do you have your license? We went back and forth for a little bit. She kept trying to argue about it. I was like, all right, get out, right? And so she wouldn't. So I opened her door, went to go get the seatbelt. Well, she blocked me from getting it. And so yeah. So I was pulling the taser out. I hit the warning. She's like, all right, you don't have to tase me, dude. You don't have to tase me, dude. But then, in reality, I could have taser with that one, but it just wasn't.
Hey, the warning worked. Look at that.
Yeah. Well, until we started having to wrestle on the ground. No, I didn't check safe.
Okay.
So.
Weird. Did you already get a count 11?
No.
Good job.
Thanks.
Hey, do you think? Then you're good. You can
I don't know where her. Thanks, bud. Her glasses got bent up. Yeah, I don't suspect that. She's just speeding. Made it way bigger than it needed to be. Therefore, that'll be the subject I'm 15 with. So, okay. It's all taken care of.
In the end, the driver was arrested and transported to the Benton County Jail. What began as a basic speeding stop quickly evolved into a physical confrontation and a larger debate over police authority, individual rights, and compliance during traffic stops in the United States.
You good speeding, obstruction resistant?
Yeah. So, question.
Yeah.
And this is, as I understand the policy, I would have been green light to taser. But want to understand in this specific scenario. So she finally gets out after the warning. I holster the taser. We're talking. She's arguing. I tell her to walk back this way. She refuses to do it. I go to grab her. She pulls away. And she starts. And like I go to grab her again to armbar. She's strong arming it and won't comply at all. But this one, I think I made the right choice.
That's active resistance, which in a situation you could, but like Garcia said, we shouldn't. I mean, you know, we shouldn't rely on the taser.
Exactly.
You can fight her.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. I just want to make sure.
But yes, that's active resistance.
Okay. That would fit the policy if somebody was to ask. Okay.
But yeah, that's cool. The warning that actually got her. That's kind of cool.
Yeah. She's like, oh, yeah. You'll see it on the body cam. It's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer her to Benton County.
Okay. All right. Good. I'll do your inventory. I'll email you, and then it's all in Keyser, and it's not a push to start.
Yeah. 10-4. If you would have sent me a CR for obstructing governmental operations. You have the car key?
I've got it. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Real quick, there's no arguing it. You are going to Benton County, so don't start with that. But do you need medical assistance for anything?
No.
Okay.
Did you pick up my glasses?
Yes, I got your glasses, your phone. Your car key is going to go with the tow truck, but we got the keys off the car key itself.
Does it need to be towed since I'm not working?
Yes, it's going to be towed.
What's up? All right, I'll take care of your record.
All right, thank you. Thank you.